How to turn on or turn off use wallpapers in SmartThings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, then tap on the Samsung folder. Next, tap on SmartThings. In here, tap on the menu button at the bottom corner. And then we go to the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, go down and tap on use wallpapers. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. You can also turn it on or off inside the use wallpapers setting page. Here says set your own wallpaper for each location and room. To change wallpaper, go to manage room or manage location. So here if we go back to SmartThings home screen and then tap on the more button at the top, then tap on location settings. And here we've got location mode set to home, away or night. But then if you go down here, location wallpaper, tap on that. And here you can change the wallpaper. And then tap on saved. Then go back to your home screen and you can see the location, the wallpaper has been changed for that particular location. Here if I change my location to a different place, then it will have a different wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.